Hey guys, Asian, you have one with yourself.
Yeah, man, got a little thing, you know? I'm priming almost completed now.
Yeah, look at this, guys, look at this.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. You see me? So we are progressing with the little thing. Alright, as you guys have been aware, you know, we kind of did break a little bit with the construction. Yeah, cause you know, as we did say, we have to kind of recharge a little bit. So nonetheless, we're back on the grind, you know what I mean? As you can see just above me, the ceiling coming on quite good, you know. So right now, what I try to deal with, right, is the walls of this place, to paint the walls. Because what my old man advised me is that it's probably best to do the walls, paint the walls before I do the tiling, because it's gonna make my work a lot easier, you know. Yeah, I have the primer. Yeah, and the place kind of look away, so we have a window to put in, and so on. So I'm gonna start do what we can do. We probably shouldn't have spread the window them out around the place. I just start them in one area. I'll probably just move the window and put them in one area so we can have access. Yeah. Alright, so I have my little 2-foot ladder. Right, so a nice little work ladder and things, so we can use this way so we don't have to stretch too much, you know, make the work a little more comfortable. Yeah. So how this go now? Look. Click. 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 Alright, see there? So I can walk across on it when I need it. Yeah. And you see there? Just plug in the sander. So yeah, we're ready. As I stated in previous videos, the walls are well rendered, right? But you still have a little bit of the grains on the surface, so those are really what we want to get off, so you have a more of a smooth finish. As it relates to shore coat, we do have some bags of shore coat. We have some right here, so but those are for the ceiling. We shore coat some of the wall, them like all of one here, right? But we can't really afford to shore coat the whole place right at this moment. Maybe in the future we can, but for right now, yeah, we just have to do it how we, you know, we can take it on. Yep. Yeah, I'm sending Jaden for some more extension cards, so he's here. See him there? Good boy, look at him.
Daddy.
Yes?
I did take so long because...
Thank you.
Because when I used to block the I realized I forgot my mask.
Your mask? Oh, you brought a mask too? Awesome, alright, thank you. Yeah, so Jay, bring the extension for me. I have a roll, this is like 50 feet, so I need more. Yeah, so to keep it from plug up, we just kind of do this, do a bit of a knot, you know. Yeah, there you go, like that. video, right? To get the wall this well rendered, the skill of the workman is very important, but also the material, because if the workman have bad material, the job will come out shabby. I got the perfect sand, right? In terms of the fineness, you have to ensure that your granite sand is very good. So I get the perfect granite sand, so hence why I end up with this smooth finish, and even with that, I still get myself a sander and rub it. Yeah, so this part I done now, so just like it a little change, you know? Alright, so here we go. You take your time. Yeah, so I piece, so James is saying one painting, so I just give you a little bucket and a paintbrush making the thing, pala. Yeah, so it's alright, just continue, just spread it, Jay, just spread it other areas. Dip the brush, Jay, dip the brush, yeah. And just move your hand. Yeah. Yeah, man, just stay away from it, good. And spread it. Alright, so they are prime. Mine here. So I'm gonna run down some of the walls in the area. So like I one here, around here, so where Jaden is going to the back patio, running patio about. So we can paint them part here. Just spread it out, Jaden, it's not perfect. Because I don't prime mine on a paint, I primer, so it's not perfect here. So just pop this one open, 1.5 gallon, right? We have some primer leaf from before. Yes, Jay?
But you need a little bit more.
You need more paint? Alright, can get some more. Jay, I'll help out there. We make him have a barefoot because we don't want to mess up in slippers. Hey guys, what's up? You can see behind me, right? Yeah, be a big vehicle. Move out of the way. Yeah man, so I'm actually on the wharf right now, right? So I'm about to pick up a couple of barrels that was sent, you know. We had sent some items, some smaller items, a few things for the construction and also stuff to help to fit out the Airbnb apartment, you know. So we actually sent those down. Alright? We actually sent these down. Interrupt me. But when you see me a video and you come all the way just to ask them, people weird it. Me literally there saw a video and you come and interrupt me. And you want to get in that video, you want to come in, right? Why? I mean everything that I cut out that, you know. Why me I tell you, yeah, so as me say, me send a few stuff in, right? For the Airbnb apartment, I lose my train of thought, right? So some stuff we pack up in the barrel and thing, along with some food items, of course. So we send them to my dad, so him package them and ship them off to us. So I'm gonna pick them up right now, alright? Yeah man. So we out. See him the crossroad, him well come at the video, you know. Yo, I'm literally like way out the road, way far from everybody. And the man left from where him left from. For come, for interrupt me, for ask me what me I do. Like seriously? I can't understand people sometimes. People crazy, yo. Oh my god. So, yeah, we are going now. Alright, so get my documents from my shipping company. So now I'm over customs, so they are processing documents. So soon as it's through, then we can go in and, you know, them pull the barrel them and so on. So we just are waiting up on customer service, you know. Yeah, so when I mentioned it before, I'm at Newport West, First Street in Kingston, you know. Yeah, so this is where a lot of the barrels are shipped to. Yeah, yeah, man.
Alright, here you go.
Okay.
Lovely. So I'm going to give you a receipt now.
Alright.
Alright, so we'll make a way to the security at the door, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Go through customs and check out the barrel them. You know that area is like what them call a sterile area, so we can't really do no videoing inside and thing, but we basically get through, so it's just now for me get some transportation. You know, I have a gate pass already, so I get a vehicle outside and come back, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So it wasn't a long process at all, you know. Give thanks, is it? I'll wait the barrel them, I know. So, yeah, man. So basically, I don't want to bring out the stuff them now. See my van there in the background, you know. So I'll go over shortly, is it? Yeah, man. Alright, my peeps, so actually reach home with the stuff them, right? See them here, right? Yeah, man, so we'll be doing a haul video very soon, showing you guys all we got and, you know, how much we pay for the stuff and everything, you know. All these stuff are basically what we be using to fit out our Airbnb. So whether it be stuff for construction or household items that will be used in the Airbnb, all of that in these barrels, I would say what we receive. So just stay tuned for that video. Alright, in Jamaica, right, in order to cut down certain costs, you know, in the stores here in Jamaica, them have to import stuff, them have only for custom duty, them have them overheads and stuff. So as a result, stuff that we purchase here in stores is very, very expensive for the most part, a lot of times. So what we do sometimes, in order to cut costs, we actually bring in stuff for ourselves. So in our case, we use these barrels, we ship down, we thing them in a barrel, you know, because this is an expensive venture where we are going with right now with the construction, and then on top of all of that, to buy all of these stuff here in Jamaica would cost us hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we basically save a lot of money by buying these stuff overseas and shipping them down, right? So we're gonna go through and we're gonna show you, as me say, how the costs work out with the thing them. You get me? I say, so just stay tuned, guys.
Hey guys, who is that?
Yeah,
Mr. Delphi.
yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we're back on track. You get me? I say, we're completing the plumbing work in the bathrooms, right? I just say complete, but
Jesus.
One big, become big.
Let's say,
Yeah.
stay about the place,
Mosquito are big.
They're
Big
huge.
Mosquito, yeah. And the rain, we had a bit of rainfall recently, so the mosquito them come up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we are complete the plumbing work for the shower, so at least the tiler can come in and tile out the bathroom and stuff, you know. So we get them thing to deal with. So we just went out, we get some more fittings because what happened is the plumber, he had to see he have to see the mixture and the shower fixtures before him know what we need. So it come in now, we get the barrel and yeah, so I'm have it and yeah, man, we get the thing then. So we just bought these.
Yeah. Guys, this is what the place looking like.
So see the pipe there, see the pipe there. See the pipe there.
This?
No, not me and show it this one.
Ooh, okay. So right here, guys, is where we had the back pipe. Coming out of the first house. So it's now completely blocked off, and you know, with the concrete gone, this wall is being plastered. Yes. So now basically you have to go plaster over back.
Yeah, man.
So is that the
mixer here?
Okay.
Yeah, this is it. You can see we do a bit of priming, you know. Yeah, so
Adrian has been priming.
thing will go on, you know. Thing will come on, that's it.
Yeah. So Adrian sand down the wall. He use him little hand sand and him sand down the wall, and then him put him primer on the wall, okay? That's what Bebe has been doing. So Robert, You're gonna put this in the wall now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Carry clapping that.
Carry graphic, like the place is starting to look like a home. Start to see some stuff are going, you know?
So I window the throw down.
Yeah, windows. You couldn't get those up though?
Yeah, isn't it?
Come and put it for me and cover them up too. Wait.
We're not going to clean it up, babe. We're not going to clean. So there you go. This is the shower area. Alright, up to there.
You want to show them what the shower looks like?
Yeah. Bathroom fixtures right here, so this is for the shower, and of course it's coming from the wall overhead, like so, and this gonna screw on to it. Right. This is it. We have two of them, two sets. These are the mixer and we showed already, and this is for the drain, shower drain. So yeah.
Hey guys, you done your bar with yourself?
Yeah, man, I got the thing, you know? I'm priming almost completed now.
Yeah, look at this guys, look at this. No, the ceiling is not included, so the ceiling is white because I'm not done with finish. But yeah, look at all of them. Remember when the crease them. Yeah, so most of the house is primed out right now, except for the bathroom. Okay, you know the bathroom is going to be tiled, so we're not priming there. So you're just going around the creases to get that, and you're going to get over that area too. See here, the little closet. Let me give you all a better look. So this is the closet over there. And you're going to go on himself. Our aim basically is to paint out the house for the most part, paint out the house and then start the tiling, right?
Yeah.
So this is the end of, almost the end of the priming section of it, right here. So
yeah. We got what happened is Alright, when the place not tile, right? I'm not have to spread the drop cloth. When you can look on the floor,
Yeah, I'm showing.
right? Look on the floor, I'm not have to worry about the place getting messed up. You see plaster on the ground,
Plaster is everywhere on the floor.
paint, and so on.
Yeah.
If the place is tile, and then I do all this work, it will make life a living hell. You understand? If you drop cloth and a wipe and all them something there. So, I just do all that I do and then I tile the floor. So,
Yeah.
because of this now, I can try to do this myself. I can do the painting myself. You know, it don't need as much meticulousness, you know. So we can just spend a little time and just dab some paint. I'm not worried paint a splash, you know. That's how I do the thing.
I'm not worried about painter's tape because like these areas right here, so you don't have to use no tape to go around the electrical switch and them nice things there because there's none. So you can just paint and paint and paint. Then we can tile the floors and then we can put in all of our electrical switches and stuff like that. That's how it is. I'm kind of excited because after this too, somewhere along the line, we're going to actually put in the windows. So guys, over some space of time in between the painting, after the painting is done, we're going to do the windows and the tiling. So I don't know when the windows will put in really.
I think I want to put in the windows maybe. This video is going on today Sunday, the video about. So, I expect for putting the window there next week, in the week. More paint, I'll just put on I'll put on one coat of the paint on, and then we'll put in the windows. That's the plan.
Yeah, okay. But I don't want to clean off the window either. And another fear that I had was the windows being broken. So you know the ceiling work did go on and all them something there. So I didn't quite want the windows going in that quickly. Just in case there's a little thing and then one of the window them broke and all that. That's too much money to spend, alright? Alright guys, this is the second bedroom. As you can see, most of this wall is plaster. But most of this is also primed. And some of those areas are left. But look, Adrian has to go back over some of these because he primed this roof before the roof was finished. So the roof, as I said, is a knockdown finish. I'm trying to get you a good angle so you can see it. You can see it like that. So that's a knockdown finish, right? So a lot of the plaster was splattered on these areas. So what has to happen is that Adrian is going to have to sand down those areas and these areas, sand them down again so that you can apply some of the primer to it before we can even prime it, then we're going to paint it. So you have a bit more work to do in this room too, but just a little bit.
Alright my peeps, whole heap of progress.
Yeah.
You get me I say. As I mentioned earlier, we're going to do the hall, if you want to call it that, in a separate video. Stay tuned for that.
Yes.
Alright, so look out, we're going to paint all this place here too. We're going to tile shortly. A whole heap of things to come. So we're back on track. You get me I say?
We're trying to get some stuff done.
Yeah man. And the cast mentioned to this man said we really need a vacation though. You know?
I feel burnt out.
Yeah,
not
definitely.
gonna lie, I feel burnt out, you know? It's been a while.
Yeah, but we just get this thing done.
Yeah.
We can see the light at the end of the tunnel now. You get me? So we can see the light. We send out the wood to get the door jambs deal with because as you're not aware, we cut some wood to get some woodwork done.
Yeah.
Right. So the door jambs are being sorted. Front door, back door, cupboard, furniture, all of them things they are deal with. You get me? I say? Yeah. So yeah man, things are going, you see it?
Things are happening. My hair is so crazy. I asked Adrian if he like my lips and he said he does. When I like it, I'm not so sure.
Guys, me tell her I never like it. We wouldn't get a video this morning because
That's not true.
me need her all to come out of the house to come here to do this. So, you know, I tell her some reassurance so she can come. You see me?
Yes, it is. No, tell me what kind of man this. No, it may even not look good. Wait, tell me they look good for. Eh?
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Don't trust him from now on.
Yeah, so as we say, priming almost done.
Yeah.
Are 90% complete. Earlier in the video, Cassie showed this right there, so see it completely plastered off.
Yeah.
Right here is where the pipe was. It completely plastered off. Right?
Finally.
This here is one coat of the grey we're gonna use. That's the color we're gonna use. It not fully under the right intensity because it's only one coat. So if we put another coat or two for you to see the right intensity.
I want to say we went to the store and then dip it on top of the bucket. When we can't find the bucket, but it look white.
Yeah.
And I said, right, you know what this? And you know, we were kind of saying
one night
we were gonna have to bring it back.
Yeah.
Because I'm not this want.
Yeah.
But when we came and we tried it on the wall, we saw that there was a difference because this is white.
Yeah.
And this is you could see the difference now. So yeah.
And we're gonna do a little thing with the accent wall here, so stay tuned.
Yeah,
stay tuned for that. You know what I mean? So things are look up, things looking up, my peeps. You know?
Yeah.
Things definitely looking up. But paint up most of the area them already with the primer. You know? So I just up on them part and finish and right here. You know? I rub the wall the other day, so I'm gonna just come finish this and ting around here, so just mentioned up here so already. Yeah, so always stay.
Yeah, look good. Looking good, we're looking good. Okay guys, so remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Become a D Squad member. Okay, you love our video? Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps our content. And remember to turn on the post notification bell once you have subscribed. Put the setting on all, don't click the dancing icons. Alright, bye. Peace.
We out.